Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Courtney, and if you are new here, welcome. So today I am going to be doing a lazy girl makeup look, and it's something that a lot of us can relate to. Not all of us feel like putting on a full glam face. Some of us do, but some of us don't have time for that, or some of us just want to look good but don't want to put in all that extra effort just to receive the same result. So if you are interested, please stay tuned for more. First, I'm going to be starting off with my face. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This is awesome for keeping the day's look on your face without it moving around. And again, it really just gripped to the makeup application, so I absolutely love it. It has a good, like, almost sticky feeling when you put it on your face, but it doesn't dry down like that. Next, I'm going to be using the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer. This is a great 2-in-1, and it gives a buildable coverage look. So I'm just going to be applying that on the dark spots, mainly on my face, but I'm also going to be blending it out so it gives that kind of full foundation look. And I'm really focusing again on the spots that are a bit darker on my face. The areas that have a little bit of hyperpigmentation, around my mouth, my cheeks have a little bit of redness here. I'm really focusing around my mouth. That's the main area where I tend to have discoloration. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender and just blend that all over. I also like this look for whenever I'm just running out for a few errands and I want to look awake. So I just look cute overall, or even for a night out, honestly, and I just want to keep it very simple. I love this foundation. It gives really good coverage, like a kind of medium but buildable look, and I absolutely love it because it lets my skin breathe. If you hear my dog in the background, don't mind him. Okay, so I still like to concealer on my eyes to give some brightness underneath. I like to add a little bit of the Pro Filter Fenty Beauty Concealer to make myself look a little bit more awake. And I'm starting off in the corner, bringing that down, and then this corner of my eye. I learned this technique from Robert Welch. It really has been changing up my makeup look quite a bit. Next, I'm going to set underneath my eyes with the Laura Mercier. Just adding a little bit of powder using this fluffy brush here. Next, I'm going to take my Fenty Beauty powder, and this is in the color Hazelnut, and this is a great all over the face kind of powder. And I'm going to use this dense brush, and I'm just going to kind of buff just a tiny bit, just using like this much, and just dabbing that into my brush, and then just kind of sweeping that, but buffing it with a very light hand all over my face to kind of set the foundation. Just a little bit though. So our skin still looks like skin. It's not super matte. Kind of coming off a little red on camera. I think this is the lighting setup that I have going on, and I need to get that fixed somehow, but we're going to get that together. Okay, so next I'm going to move on to my eyes, and I'm going to be using the Morphe 350 palette, and I'm going to be using this brown shade right here. And I'm going to sweep that all over my lid using the Morphe E27 brush, buffing blending brush. And I'm going to move up a little bit into my crease. And then next I'm going to be using this matte beige color here. And then I'm just going to tap that into like the center. And I'm going to blend that out with my finger. And then going back in with the brown shade, just going back over that and blending everything out. Going a little bit up because I have hooded lids. And then I'm going to take my beauty blender that I used earlier and then just clean up the corner. I also like a tiny bit of shimmer in the corner of my eye just to give that kind of baby doll effect. So I'm going to be using this really shimmery kind of pink shade here. And I'm just going to be dabbing that onto like this dense tiny pencil brush. So dab a little bit, tap off any excess, and then I'm just going to like pop it right in the corner of my eye. Just a little bit. I love doing this with the pencil brush because it's more concentrated, but you can still blend a little bit around it. Just a little bit. I do with any other brush, it kind of gets everywhere. And I like it right in that corner. Even like bringing it down just a little bit so it looks like, I don't know why, but this is kind of endearing when it looks like you've been crying a little bit. Just a little bit of shimmer, just like so. And if that's a little too much, I just take my pinky finger and just kind of press into it. Try not to move it around, and then just wiping off my pinky as I go. It gives that cute little baby doll effect. I don't know, I really like it. And then I'm going to be taking my Great Lash mascara and adding my lashes. Now remember, this is a really lazy day girl look, but I do like my lashes, but no falsies unless, you know, you like that kind of vibe. But me, I'm like really going lazy with it. Like, I don't feel like doing any of this. I just want to like wipe off my makeup at the end of the day and just be done with it. And wash my face, of course, too, but yeah. Yeah, I'm like really going in with mascara because I kind of like that almost clumpy effect. And I don't have like naturally long lashes myself, so I like to really put them in full effect if possible. And I'm also adding a little bit to the bottom lash. Okay, girl. Lashes are on. Boom. I'm going to add a little bit of bronzer just to add some definition to my face. So I kind of matted everything out a little bit, just a little bit. So add some depth back in my face. I'm going to be using a little bit of, I just had it in my hand, my Fenty Mocha Mami bronzer, just a tiny bit. Whew. Kind of went in with my 5 head there. So I'm going to put on my brows, and I'm just going to be using the brow definer by Anastasia Beverly Hills, and it's the thick one in Ebony. So this is the bigger one, so it's easier and quicker to put my brows on. I have the thinner one, the Brow Wiz, but that's when I'm going for a more defined look, and this one is going to be a messy, bushier eyebrow. So I'm going to first define the bottom my brow, and then I'm going to flick the hairs up, working from the middle first. I want to find where my arch is going to be, and then I'm flicking the rest of the hairs in there. And then I'm going to flick the hairs up. A little lazy girl brow. Took me like 15 seconds, if that. Oh, wrong side. Then I'm going to take some brown lip liner, a little bit under the bottom lip, and then going over the top of my lip, blend that out so it's not a harsh line. Okay, really light lip liner there. And use Fussy. This little cute gloss, so cute. I have the big one too, but I got this in the pack with all the small glosses. I thought this was just the cutest thing in the world. So, and it's so convenient. So I'm just gonna put on Fussy. And that's it. Just a little bit of setting spray to set it. Hydrate the skin a little bit more. So continue setting spray from Morphe. And that's it. That completes the look. So how do you like it? Pretty easy, simple to do, pretty quick. Didn't take me too long. Probably took me about 10 minutes to do total, maybe 15. But either way, it's very doable. It doesn't take up too much of your time, and you achieve really cute results. So I really think what pops here is the highlight around the eye. It just adds a little bit of sparkle, a little bit more, like you put in more effort in your makeup look. But really didn't take much time or effort at all. This is my go-to lazy girl look, and I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. And if you did, be sure to subscribe for more content if you want to see more videos like this. Good luck on you guys' lazy girl routine, and let me know down in the comment section how it turns out for you guys. If you have any helpful extra tips, tricks that you use that can be useful for me or anybody else. I look forward to seeing you guys again soon. Thank you for tuning in. Bye!